Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life with Dr. Neelam. I'm Dr. Neelam. I'm a doctor and I'm a nutritionist also. I'm going to teach you how can we all lose weight with the help of nutrition. So I'm going to make low calorie recipes and low calorie diet plans for weight loss. So today's low calorie weight loss recipe is going to be hummus. If those who don't know what hummus is a sauce type of sauce which is made up of chickpeas, that is also called as chole in India, so that we can use it and replace the market based sauces, so that we'll get a low calorie and very healthy form of sauce, and we can make it at home very easily. These are the chickpeas which are called as chole also. And so what we'll do now, we'll just it's night time, I am just soaking this in the water, and morning we'll do, we'll just boil them and we'll make hummus with the cooked chickpeas. So these are the chickpeas. You can take as much as you want. I am taking nearly a small bowl. So now I have cooked these chickpeas in the morning, and now you can see. So I'm going to tell you the two ways of making these chickpea hummus. One is just you have to use such chickpeas, and the second one is you should take out the covering which is there over the chickpeas. People do this also to make smooth hummus. Basically in America or in other countries, people like to do such kind of things, take out the peel to make a smoother hummus, but it's very tedious job, so I am not indulging myself into this anymore. So I'm just telling you for the sake of information. I'm using chickpeas as it is, as they are. So this is the tahini sauce which I have made my last video. You can go and watch on my playlist. So this is the tahini sauce. So what we'll do, we'll mix the tahini sauce with the chickpeas and we'll make the hummus. So if you don't want to use tahini, you can even use a curd to make it, but the basic recipe is this, that you have to use tahini sauce. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting some chickpeas into the my jar. You can even use food processor. So this is my grinder, and this is the cumin powder. It's a roasted cumin powder and it's optional. If you don't want to add cumin powder, totally your choice. And this is the salt I'm adding in. Now I am just taking 2 cloves of garlic. You can even add more if you want, but basically you have to keep it less only in this recipe. So I'm putting in 2 cloves. Now what I'll do, I'll just add some olive oil. So this is the olive oil. This is the Designo company olive oil I'm using in. I'll just give you the link in the description box. You can check out, and I like its taste. And now I'll add some olive oil to the hummus. Don't be afraid of eating olive oil. It's extra virgin olive oil. It is good fat and it's healthy also. So I'll add some lemon juice to this. You can add more also, but I like to keep less lemon juice. So like this, you can take out the juice, and now what we'll do, we'll just add this. This is the tahini sauce which I made in my last video. You can go and check it. So this is the tahini sauce which is also called as a salad dressing, which you can put over the salads, over the kale, spinach, and even it's it is a very important ingredient of our hummus. So I am using this tahini sauce, and now I'll just add it to my chickpea. If you don't like the tahini sauce, everybody, it's like you don't like to use it, so you can add curd instead of this. But the basic hummus and its taste and the goodness of its nutrients, it has lots of antioxidants and multivitamins. So because of the chickpeas, it is high in protein also. Now the hummus, this is the hummus. I'm just keep on making it. You can add little bit of water to this recipe, not much, but little bit you can add, because the consistency of the chickpea is very thick. So what we'll do, again we'll give it a grind, and now I'm adding in little bit more water. Now you just make a homogeneous paste out of it. Now you can see this is a homogeneous paste which is made up of, this is a basically the art process is completed. So what I'll do now, you have to make the indentations in the hummus. This is the way of presenting hummus in this is the like you have to serve it like this only. So what we'll do, you can make it with the finger also, but now I am just making it with the spoon. We make such grooves for the olive oil. Now we have to spread olive oil like this over it, and this is the basic way of doing it. Now what this is for your decoration. If you want to do it, you can, otherwise you can leave this step. I'm just decorating it before serving. So this, like this, you can put the chickpea. It will look much better. I like to decorate my recipes sometimes, not always, because always I'm in hurry. So like this you can decorate it, otherwise there is no need. So now I'll just add some chili powder. If you want this to be more spicy, you can add the chili powder while grinding also, but I don't want this to be spicy. The basic recipe goes like this only. So you can, I'll just spread some chili powder over it, or you can even add chili flakes to it. So this is the final outcome of my recipe. This is the hummus, guys. So this is a chickpea hummus, and it's a very healthy recipe. This is extremely famous in other countries. So we can also apply this to our eating lifestyle or eating habits. Now what we'll do, we'll just take out and I'll just taste it. So now we'll just add it to our cutlets. These are the chickpea cutlets which are there on my channel. So these are the chickpea cutlets, and this is the tahini. The both other recipes you will get it in the link in the description box, and just go to my playlist or to my channel, you will find them somewhere there. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch such healthy weight loss recipes, and press the like button if you like this video and if you like this information. And you can even watch my videos in Hindi on my Hindi channel, that is again with the same name, Fat Free Life. Read my recipes and blogs on my website, that is called as a www.fatfreelife.in. and you can follow us on different social medias like Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all over we are there. Thank you so much for watching. Keep coming back. Just make it, eat it, and let me know how it tastes in the comment sections. And thank you so much for watching.